So guys, my name is Didy. I'm a video director. I'm based in Nairobi. Today on today's episode, I'm meeting one of my clients, one of the top DJs in the world, all the way from Europe, man. I can't wait to meet Max. I'm doing some jobs here. I'll be DJing here at the craft center. Then after that, we now plan for our shoot, which will be happening around Lamu, and Kilifi. So today's video, I'm taking you through all the way from my place. I'll disclose my place later on my videos. So I'm driving all the way from along Langata Road, Bagadi Way, all the way to Craft Center. Join me as I go and meet my amazing client from Europe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be notified when I release a new video. This is Didy. Keep it true for music videos and documentaries. Call this number on my description below. Thank you. So guys, this is the Karen and Ogatarongai roundabout. So we entering, we're gonna take our right. Yes, because we're going all the way to Gigiri. Remember I told you I'm meeting my client who flew from Europe to come and film a documentary about his music career. So let's continue enjoying the show. Langata Road is usually amazing. Hakuna traffic mob most of the times. Though weekdays the traffic is always so tight compared to the weekends. So on Sundays there's no traffic. That's why I opted to do this video on a Sunday. There is less traffic on the road. So this is Langata Road. We're heading, that is the Bomas of Kenya. So this is now Langata Road, heading now to town so that we can connect to Limuru Road all the way to Gigiri. So let's continue enjoying the show, man. Subscribe to my channel. So this is the KWS and the animal orphanage, and entering now to the Nairobi National Park main entrance. On my left, this is the Langata Cemetery, where people do bury their loved ones. Now we're heading to the roundabout, connecting. So guys, we are heading to the bypass, Langata bypass. As you can see from the signpost there. So that's the bypass. We're entering now. We are not entering the bypass, we're just going in straight. Because we must enter the CBD so that I can connect through Limuru Way. That's the best way I opted for. So this is the southern bypass. We're entering now to Langata. On my left, that is Kibera slums. The famous Kibera slums will be there. Then this is now Langata. This is Langata estate. This is Langata now. We are in Langata. Now heading to town. So as I told you, this place is usually packed with traffic on a weekday. But since it's on a Sunday, many people opt to stay at home. Rarely will you find many people traveling or coming to town. So there is usually less traffic on Sundays. So this is now Langata. We are heading now to the main junction at the Wilson Airport. Now on my right, this is now the Wilson Airport. As you can see, that is the Wilson Airport. Guys, we are at Strathmore. On my left is the Strathmore University. We're entering to Madaraka. This is now Madaraka. The Madaraka Shopping Center will be on my right. On my left, that is. On my right is the South Sea. This is South Sea on my left. We are now at Nairobi West, that is Madaraka, near Madaraka Shopping Center. Now entering to the Nayo Stadium now, our famous Nayo Stadium. So that's the Nayo Stadium, that's our football stadium, sports stadium. Yes, we call it Nayo Stadium, which was named after the slogan that was really used by our second president, President Moi. So on my right, that's the Nayo Stadium now. So we're going to enter to the next roundabout now to the CBD. Now that's the fence surrounding the Nayo Stadium, as you can see on my right. Now ahead of me is the town CBD. On my right, on my left is the Upper Hill, famous Upper Hill, the most expensive land in town. It's Upper Hill. So this is now the expressway. Oh, this is amazing. This is the latest government project, the Nairobi Expressway, which will be traversing through from Westlands, Kangemi area to Mombasa Road, now to the airport, to our biggest airport, that's the Jomo Kenyatta Airport. So this is the expressway, or this is the express route from Westlands to the airport. It's under construction. Currently it's under construction, as you can see. Yeah, I'll make more videos about the expressway. Let's have a look at what's happening in this whole construction. There's some traffic here, but let's hope it will move, yeah, so soon. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Didy. I'm a video director. I'm based in Nairobi. So I told you guys, those who are joining now, I'm filming my journey, meeting this client of mine who flew all the way from Europe to come and film a documentary about his music, yeah, and his journey to Africa, that is specifically Kenya. So let's go together, guys. So guys, this is the expressway. You can see, have a look. It's under construction. Guys, have a look. This is the expressway from Kangemi, Westlands to Mulolongo. Yeah, I think to be heading around Mulolongo. Basically, it was to traverse through from Kangemi to the airport, to Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Yeah, so this is the construction. It's underway. You can have a look at it. Heavy machinery, construction's work still ongoing. Now that's the view of the CBD. That's our capital city, Nairobi. Some people crossing dangerously. Now this is our city, Nairobi, the most beautiful city we have. So this is Uhuru Park on my left. This is now the CBD, Central Business. That's our town. No, I've not used the route inside town. I'll be doing a video around driving around the city. Yeah, so we're going to turn on our right, so that we go all the way to Parklands. So we are now in town. This is Nairobi University. This is Nairobi University on my right, on my left. Yeah, that is Nairobi University. As you can see, that's Nairobi University. So we left the CBD, we left the town now. We're heading to Murang'a Road. This is Murang'a Road. Yeah, this is Murang'a Road. Still on Murang'a Road. I'm still on Murang'a Road. I want to connect the Forest Road. I crossed the Forest Road, heading to Parklands. Yes, remember I'm using the Parklands way. So this is now the junction. If you want to go to Chiromo, you go that way. Now we're going straight to Parklands. On my right, you'll be going to Thika Road. Now we are at Limuru Road now. Those are matatus hooting. They are very careless. I have to be careful, man. I'm still making the video and holding my camera. I'm actually shaking because these matatus can embarrass you on the road. So this is Limuru Road now. We're heading to Parklands. So guys, you're in Parklands. This is now Parklands. Yeah. Know your city, man. This is Parklands. This is Parklands now, as you can see. On my left, you'll be going to Aga Khan Hospital. So we're going straight to Parklands. Now to Limuru Road. We're still continuing on Limuru Road. As you can see, those are the signposts. You are at Parklands. Yeah, we live in Parklands now. We are on Limuru Road, finally! Yay! Now this is Limuru Road. This is Limuru Road now. This is usually narrow and so many corners, so I have to be extra careful. Yeah, not to cause a mess. So that is Karura Avenue. Now I'm going this way, I'm taking my right. Yes. Now I'm at Mudaiga. Yes, Mudaiga. Yeah, I'm a Kamba, man. I'm at Mudaiga. Someone can wonder which forest this is. Now this is Karura Forest, the famous Karura Forest. Yeah, this is Karura Forest along Mudaiga, Limuru Way. This look, I love this scene here. Very nice shot. So guys, we are turning right to the United Nations. So this is the United Nations Way, UN Crescent now. Yeah, I'm turning my left. I'm at Gigiri already. I'm heading to the destination, to the hotel where I'll be meeting this amazing DJ. You guys, I hope you're really waiting up to see the DJ. Guys, I'm almost to my destination. Yeah, where we'll be meeting that guy, the amazing DJ from Europe. Now I'm at Gigiri, so I'm going to turn on my right. Yeah. So guys, this is the craft center where I'm having my meeting now. It's an amazing place. Let me find some parking. So now I'm at the parking. This way I'm having my meeting at the craft center. I'm now at the parking. I'm waiting for communications. Yes, hello? Yes, I'm at the parking just right outside the Makutis. I can see you on dreadlocks, on a yellow top. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can see you right there. This is Max. I'm meeting Max now. Max. Yes, Max. I'm filming you, Max.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, Max.
Good. Oh, yeah, right.
Yes, I'm good.
At the main runway area inside. Thank you.
Honey.
Oh, good to see you. Welcome to Kenya. What a beautiful surprise. Yeah. When she said like you, I was like, what? Amazing.
Max.
Hi Reggie, how are you doing? Cool. So Mitch was just setting up.